How does robotics relate to Industry 4.0? Robotics isn't just a part of Industry 4.0, it's its heart and brain. If Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution, robotics is the central technology that makes it possible, transforming factories into smart and fully connected environments. Industry 4.0 is defined by digital interconnection. It's the creation of smart factories, where machines, production systems, and data communicate with each other in real time, allowing for faster and more efficient decision-making. So what specific role do robots play in this transformation? Unlike older robots, which only performed a single repetitive task, today's robots are designed to be flexible and adaptable. They can be reprogrammed to handle different products or tasks in a matter of minutes, which is essential for customized production. And there are three fundamental elements that make them key to this change. First, there's connectivity. Robots are no longer isolated machines. They are equipped with sensors and software that allow them to send and receive real-time data. A robot can report on its status, predict when it needs maintenance, or automatically adjust its speed based on orders it receives from the central system. Furthermore, collaboration is a pillar of Industry 4.0 with the arrival of collaborative robots, or Cobots. They are designed to work safely alongside human workers handling heavy or dangerous tasks, while staff focus on more complex and creative jobs. Finally, with efficiency, factories can optimize their entire production, from parts assembly to packaging and logistics. Robots are the physical force that converts digital data into action, ensuring precise, fast, and error-free production. In short, robotics is the tool that allows factories not only to automate but also to become smart, adaptable, and fully connected, driving the next era of manufacturing.